Welcome back to the £1,000 in 30-day challenge. If you're new, this is your first time watching, then I'm gonna quickly explain what that is. So basically, it's a challenge where I have set myself, and if you want to join along, if you want to do this too as a beginner copywriter to make your first thousand, then you can. But yeah, I'm doing this solely to get to the goal in the end of time without any experience in the past, however many months that I've been off copywriting, without any personal brand. So I'm going to outreach on Instagram and I'm starting from literally zero, haven't posted anything, haven't got any followers. And yeah, just start from complete zero. And I'm going to just do the set timetable that I've set for myself and just in general for this challenge. And I'm going to make a point that it's absolutely possible to make money with copywriting if you actually put your mind to it. You understand? Like, a lot of people just join copywriting and they just don't do anything. Well, they do something, but it's not what they need to do, if you know what I mean, right? Okay, so quickly, we're going to go in here. This is a Notion I've created for myself. If you're doing this challenge, then you're going to have to create a Notion. Here is the prospecting days, all the days that I'm going to be doing prospecting. Now, this is how many I got on day one. I got like 40 on day one. And on day two, well, I've just kind of started, so I haven't got anything on day two. That's exactly what we're going to be doing today. So I've set myself some prospect qualifications, right? I'm looking for content agencies. So they're going to have to be a content agency, right? And they have to make minimum 5,000 a month. Like, I have to get paid, depending on how much that's just minimum, especially for content agencies. If they're actually making money, I doubt they're only going to be making 5,000 a month, because they've got like medium ticket prices, not necessarily high ticket. Of course, some are, but yeah, they've got to have a newsletter of some sort. Have to have like an email list, even if it isn't a newsletter, at least an email list, and obviously a link in their bio. If they didn't, I would be questioning if they were actually a content agency. So yeah, now that I've got my prospect qualifications down, you have to find the clients. Now I'm here on Instagram. I mean, obviously I've got 4 followers, but I don't know who they are, right? If you want to go follow it, you can. I literally haven't done anything on there so far, which I'm not gonna lie, it's a bad start to this whole freaking challenge. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna make a video tomorrow morning. So yeah, what you want to do is you got to search whatever niche that you've picked. Obviously, I already done content agency on the first day, so I'm gonna just search SMMA. All right, this guy. Now you're probably thinking, oh, he's the first pick, you shouldn't go for him. Well, because he's the first pick, most of the copywriters that are going to message him are going to be absolutely trash, right? They're going to be absolutely dog cheese. And okay, so now I've seen he's got a landing page, he's got a VSL, it's medium ticket, somewhat like a community type of thing. And the thing is, I'm not even going to be looking at the copy. I'm just kind of like skimming through everything. I'm not looking at the copy for one reason, and that reason is because every copy can be improved. You should never get startled by if they have a good landing page or not, because the copy can be improved majorly. Like, first of all, like, this guy's got small heading on the top of his hook, and if there's a massive hook here, who's going to be reading the little small text at the top? Like, if you want to have a subtext, you need to put it underneath, etc. And it's a 20-minute VSL. I'm telling you right now, no one's going to be sitting here and watching this whole YouTube tutorial for 20 minutes. You get me? So obviously, I'm already seeing some mistakes here. Like, just off knowledge, like, I know that there's so much you can improve off of this. Like, don't just think, oh yeah, I'm a beginner copywriter, just because it's got so much graphics, it's not a good landing page. Like, yeah, it makes it look nice, but is it a good landing page? No, it really is not. So yeah, bang. This guy, now he's a prospect. So I just copy the link, go back in here, go prospecting. Oh, We are not at day 7. Day 2, and just bang, paste it like that. This is simple. It's very simple. And obviously this calisthenics family person, he's not a content agency, that's for sure. However, because obviously I prefer calisthenics over, well, actually it's not obvious. I took down those videos. But yeah, because I'm obviously I'm not into weights. I do calisthenics and stuff, and I'm subscribed to his email list, or well, his newsletter, and the copy is trash. Oh my god, the copy is so bad. Okay, for now, for part 2, this is the YouTube section. You know, you've already gone through all the Instagram. You can't really find any more Instagram people, so bang, just go on YouTube. SMMA Jordan Platten. Don't know who this guy is. Haven't seen him before. He's literally right there in front of my face. 300k followers. I mean subscribers. It does not even matter. How many views? 3.1k, 3.4k, 4k, 12k. He's got consistent views. I mean, it isn't like numbers wise, it isn't good compared to his subscriber count. And although that is a bad sign, he's still got like a decent amount of views. However, you know, he's running an SMMA business, not really a YouTube channel. So as you can see, he's got a community little academy thing here, and he's got an agency scaling workshop. So that's already 2 things that I can improve the copy on for when I outreach to him. You understand? So look here. Already trash copy. Like not like visually, you need to have some sort of color change, some sort of underlining thing. Numbers should always be at the beginning because numbers catch attention fast. You want to be like, in less than 90 days, you can make 100,000 a month, blah blah blah. Like, oh, in just 2 days, you can hit a consistent 100k a month. Like in less than 3 days, you can make 100k a month, instead of install our proven agency scaling system in just 2 days to let you hit consistent 100k plus months. You understand? Like, there's just a level of it. And that right here, this is whatever this is visually, it's not nice. Like, the picture should go with to scroll at the same time. I don't like the idea of scrolling past that like that. So already I can improve the copy on this landing page. I'm not going to look at the VSL right now. This is how to build a widely profitable agency. Okay. It's trash. Like, it's the same thing here, like how to build a widely profitable agency. If people wanted to know that, they would be going on freaking YouTube and sign at least 5 clients or you don't pay. That this text was honestly so small I couldn't read it. That's already something at fault. That's already something at fault. So I know for a fact that this guy's a good prospect that I can go to. I'm going to check his video in case he does have any socials, any Instagram. No, he does not. So I'm going to go back here, copy his link. Oh my God. Shut up. Thank you. Copy his link, go back here, day 2, bang. Now I've just found another prospect on YouTube. Like, first of all, what I recommend if you are outreaching on Instagram, first just go through every prospect that you can on Instagram, try to find as many potential clients as possible. And then if you can't, once all the Instagram is done, you can't find any on Instagram, then go switch over to YouTube. Half the time these people will have their own Instagram account. That's why I say go over to YouTube, because they're like social medias, people tend to make a lot of social medias and like connect it or whatever. So this guy was like a special case where he didn't have an Instagram that I could find like quickly like that. I'm sure if I did research on him, I probably could. However, yeah, just quick and simple. This is exactly how I found those 40 prospects on day 1, just like that, in like in a couple of hours as well. It wasn't like it was like 24 hours I was grinding just to get it. It was in a couple of hours I got that much clients or that much prospects. And yeah, you can just repeat this technique over and over again. And if you once you've like there's a point where you've gone all the mainstream people where like YouTube is or Instagram is like pushing them. So you are gonna have to dig deeper in the next couple of days of however long you're prospecting or if you're even doing the challenge. But yeah, you're gonna be have to like actually deep diving into this SMMA niche or fitness niche or whatever you're doing or whatever you're prospecting for. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. There's literally no need to overthink about it. If you do, you you can literally just rewatch the video, see exactly how I done it, and then yeah, that's honestly about it. If you reach to the end of this video, then I know you're serious about actually finding clients and finding prospects, as difficult as a watch this may have been, because I know that I'm tired right now. But yeah, because the fact that you've made it this far, I know you're serious. So I'm going to invite you to the Discord. People in there doing this challenge. So if you want to join the challenge and do it with us, we're going to hold everyone accountable. We can going to review your outreach, your copy. We're going to review everything like that. So yeah, if you're a beginner copywriter, you're looking to make money, go and join the Discord. We'll all help you out in there. I personally will help you out in there. But yeah, don't overthink any of this. Just trust your intuition and do your own thing. Peace.